Tired of animating text from scratch every single time? In this video, I'll show you how to turn your text animation into reusable preset in After Effects. Save your time, streamline your workflow, and apply your favorite animation to your text just by one click. If you've created text animation and want to reuse it in other projects without starting from scratch, you can save it as a preset. Select the animated properties, go to Animation, save animation preset, and save it. Open the Effects and Preset panel to find your saved preset. Drag and drop it onto any new text layer. If you don't see the preset, click the hamburger menu in Effects and Preset panel and select Refresh List. That's it.